never cared much for the traffic.
What's up, you guys? It's Margot. I thought, why not vlog the next couple of days? So here we are. I have a little date night tonight, so I'll bring you guys along. Here's my outfit for the night. I'll link everything below. And off we go.
The last 4 years, you're all I've known.
What's up, you guys? I wanted to just pop in and thank Casetify for sponsoring this video. You guys know these are the only phone cases I use. They're not only super cute and now compostable, some of them, but they will also protect your phone at all costs. The military grade protection are my go-to. You can drop them from up to 6 feet and it won't break. I will show you right here. Here's my phone, unscratched. I'll show you guys the cases that I just picked up, but if you're interested in getting some for yourself, make sure you go to casetify.com/Margot for 20% off. So here's the lineup. I'm obsessed with all of them. These three, you can tell I couldn't wait to put this on my phone, are the Casetify Conscious Collection. So these cases are 100% biodegradable, which is amazing. You can also get them personalized. This one says ML. The colors are to die for. I also got a red minimal military grade protection case. These are the ones that I usually have on my phone. They always protect my phone. You can drop them from up to 6 feet. These make for great gifts. All of these do, but I love personalizing them. There's really fun ways to do it. I also got these two from Casetify. These sanitize your phone, which is super important. Obviously, during COVID, you probably don't even realize how dirty and disgusting your phone is. And then I also didn't realize that Casetify had glass screen protectors, which are so important. So don't forget to use my code and enjoy the rest of the video. It is about 6 o'clock and I'm just starting to make some food. My family has been taking turns every week with cooking meals so it doesn't just fall on one person. And tonight it's my night and I'm making a Vietnamese noodle bowl with tofu, and then we're making panna cotta and mango sauce for dessert. So I'll bring you guys along. I'm excited. I'll link the recipes below because I'm not gonna like talk you through them. Hopefully they turn out the way that I'm imagining it, but my boyfriend and I are making it and it looks really good. So hopefully all goes according to plan. Such a beautiful night tonight. Hello again, you guys. It's Wednesday afternoon and I am going into Brooklyn today and I figured I could bring you guys along. It's gonna be pretty low key. We're going into Williamsburg and yeah, just hanging out, obviously wearing masks the entire time. I think we're gonna hit like 2 or 3 thrift stores and then we might do dinner and a drive-in movie. Everywhere that I've been recently, because I know it seems like I've been like hopping around a little bit, everywhere that I've been, every state is a green state, which means that less than 10% of the population has tested positive and the infection rate hasn't gone up within a 7-day period. I can double check that. I'll leave the link down below. I'm from Connecticut. I look into it every day and make sure what I'm doing is safe. So everywhere I've been recently is a green state. Not sure what's going on with these braids, if I'm gonna keep them, but I'm kind of into them. I was honestly just surprised that I could braid my short hair. I'm going to figure out what I'm wearing and then we'll hit the road. We're driving in, so it'll be safe. It's a bit of a rainy day. I don't know, I should check the temperature. It's probably still around like low 70s, but I'm kind of feeling these pants would be fun. Also have to decide which bag. I just want something easy to throw stuff into. Here's the fit. Thrifted, JC Sage, Depop, Princess Polly, Converse, and off we go. This doesn't make any sense. Marco, I'm gonna cry. What's going on? Oh wait, what? What is this? We just got into Brooklyn and we're going to one of the L-Train vintage stores.
In my world, I don't worry, darling. I just smile, 'cause you're by my side. And now your eyes.
Got some stuff at the thrift store. JC found something
that Vans boy is trying to steal from me.
that he already stole. Like, he's now
Can you do like a vote? No, because he's gonna win.
But no, let's do a vote. You guys can both try it on, and whoever
No,
gets
because
more
Vans
votes-
boy's gonna win.
I don't know. You have a big fan club on my.
Do I actually?
Yeah, everyone loves you.
Oh, that's so nice. I love them.
Now we're gonna go get some za, and then also there's a vintage place right there that we might stop at. Found some really good potential spots in Williamsburg. I'll give you guys the names if you're in the area. Japanese in this is all Williamsburg. Looks amazing. Lighthouse in Williamsburg. 12 chairs. I feel like we might end up doing this one. And then Sauced. And I found these on theinfatuation.com. Have you ever used theinfatuation.com?
No, what's that?
It's amazing. It's like best place to look for eatery stuff in New York. And Yelp. Okay.
Feeling fine, 'cause you said this is all you want. No more playing, playing, playing on all this. Waiting, waiting, waiting. I call you mine. I know you feel the same as I do. No more playing, wishing, waiting. I was taking, 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 baby.
Good morning. There's a good chance that you guys hate these braids, but I'm kind of into them. I'm going to brunch in a few hours. I'm starving now, so I'm gonna make breakfast before, but I'm gonna organize now, so I'll show you. If anyone was wondering, this is still one of my favorite perfumes. I think I'm actually gonna do a blog post on perfumes because I feel like I have it down to a system in terms of like which perfumes I wear when. But I think my go-tos are this one, Place de Vosges, which is actually just a fragrance mist, so you can use it on like pillowcases or linens or your body. It doesn't last as long, but has an amazing scent, so I like just kind of wearing it around the house. This Shawn Mendes one is amazing, actually. I was not expecting it to be, but it smells incredible. Actually, this tray came in the same PR package as this one. I like this for nights out. Daisy's more like my everyday running errands. My boyfriend said that it smells like me, so I guess it's kind of a signature scent. But yeah, I can make a blog post going through all of these. This one's also one of my favorites. This one's the Yves Saint Laurent Mon Paris. Really can't go wrong with any of these, but I can link these three below. And yeah, I'm gonna use this one this morning. I also want to organize this stuff. This is more of my everyday makeup. We're gonna run some errands. Gotta get the mask. I'll go with this. Hey, everything I'm wearing right now is a small business. This is Indigo Clothing Company. For You Only USA. These sweatpants were made by a girl in my sorority. Quite the fit. This bag also is from Depop. You guys know I always big up my playlists, but I just found a great playlist called Sunday Morning by Current Wave. That's what it looks like. And I'm just vibing. I'm just waiting in the car. There's Frankie. I had to drop something off for my mom at the house that she's selling. She's a real estate agent, and look how cute she looks. Where's this from?
I bought this 30 years ago in San Francisco.
Well, see ya. Back to my house, and I have like 10 minutes to get ready for brunch. I literally just got ready in 5 minutes, but I'm happy with this. This skirt is Depop, this top is a Fens, and then I just threw on this headband. Then I'll have my cow bag and probably just white Rivalry sneakers, and just call the Uber.